Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how I make a slip knot. This is for crochet or for knitting, and it's the easiest way that I do it. So I just hold some yarn over my fingers, put it around my finger twice, and just use a different finger to hold on to it. I pick up the back one and I bring it forwards. I pick up that new back one and I bring it forwards and over my finger, let it go, and there's my slip knot. And I can put my hook or my needle into it. I'll show you that one more time. Hold it in your hand, around your finger twice. Just hold on to it with a different finger. Pick up your back loop there, bring it to the front, just hold on to it a little bit while you pick up your new back one. Bring it forwards and over your finger, let it go, and there's your slip knot that you can put your needle or your hook into. That is the easiest way I know of doing a slip knot. Thank you. Bye.